Hi guys! Haha. How are you guys? Welcome to my today episode. Look here guys, starfish. This is sailfish in sea. Look at this guys. Green turtle. Wow. Let's go to the episode guys. Welcome back. Look at this mud guys. This is very terrific. Wow. Can you find it in this mud? Can you find it? Can you find it animal name in this mud? Yes. Let's check it out. Wow. Wow. How sweet this mud. Wow. Any guess guys? Come on. Wow. Terrific mud. Wow. Wonderful mud. Wow. Wow. The very first one is Thor hammer. All of you like this hammer, I know very well. Come on guys. Wow. The next one is so easy. Yes guys, you are right guys. This is duck. How sweet, it's so cute. Wow. This also home animal. Any guess guys? Yes, this is bow sheep. The next one is big animal. Any guess guys? Yes guys, it is very easy. You are right guys. This is big elephant. Wow. Wow. This is very lovable animals. Any guess guys? Yes guys, you are right. This is dog. The next one is wild animal. Any guess guys? Look at the shape guys. Yes guys, you are right. This is rhinoceros. Wow. Come on guys, you can easily get it. Yes guys, you are right. This is Kokoroko rooster. Wow. This is another one. Yes guys, any guess? Yes, this is another bow sheep. This mud is so dry. Any guess, guys, this animal name? Yes, guys, you are right. This is hippopotamus. Wow, I like this animal so much. Any guess, guys? Yes, guys, this is deer. Hey, come on, guys. This is also home animal. Yes, guys, you are right. This is mama goat. Wow. Wow. This one is so easy, guys. Any guess, guys? Yes, guys, you are right. This is race animal black horse. Wow. Wow. Look at the shape, guys. This is so cute animal. Any guess, guys? Yes, guys, you are right. This is beautiful cow. Wow. Last but not least, this one is another horse. Very small horse. See you in next video, guys. Bye bye.